can solve an exponential equation without calculator. So for example, let's say we have, so if you are given an equation like this, 2x plus 1 is equal to 2 raised to the power of 2x minus 4. So this is an example of exponential equation. So how can you actually solve this exponential equation without calculator? So the first thing you need to know is that there's something we call power and there's something we call base. For example, if I say a raised to the power of b, so b is a power and a is the base. So in solving, now when you look at this equation now, 2 raised to the power of x plus 1 and 2 raised to the power of 2x minus 4. So this is an exponential equation. So you discover that the 2 is the base, x plus 1 is the power. For here, 2 is the base, 2x minus 4 is the power. So what we are going to do is that we are going to make sure that our base, we are going to make sure that we have an equal base. That is, the base of the left hand side is equal to the base of the right hand side. So once the base of the left hand side is equal to the base of the right hand side, then we can actually divide the base. So we can say that this base here will cancel the base here. So then we'll be left with x plus 1, which is equal to 2x minus 4. So the next thing we are going to do is that we are going to collect the like terms. So if you collect the like terms, we are going to have x minus 2x, which is equal to minus 4 minus 1. Okay, so x minus 2x will be minus x, which is equal to minus 5. Then when you divide both sides by minus, then you have x is equal to 5. That is 256 equal to 4 raised to the power of x minus 4. So you can see that this is another example. Now, but you notice that this is a base, this 250 is a base having a power of 1, and this is 4. This 4 is a base having a power of x minus 4. But this 256 is not the same as 4. So what we are going to do is that we are going to simplify this 256 in its index form. So if you 256 can be simplified as 4 raised to the power of 4, which is equal to 4 raised to the power of x minus 4. Then since they have the same base, then we can actually cancel out the base. Then our 4 will be equal to x minus 4. Then if you collect the like terms, we are going to have 4 plus 4 is equal to x. Then x is equal to 8. So that is, then the other one is, for example, if you are given 8 raised to the power of x plus 2, which is equal to 16x plus 1. So what you are going to do is that this is 8 and this is 16, different base. What you will do is that you will simplify the two to have the same base. You can actually simplify 8 as 2 raised to the power of 3. Don't forget that there is a power here, x plus 2, so you put it in bracket, x plus 2, then which is equal to 16. You can actually simplify 16 as 2 raised to the power of 4, so x plus 1. So now you will have 2 raised to the power of 3x plus 6, that's if you open the bracket, which is equal to 2 raised to the power of 4x plus 4, because x times x will give you 4x, then plus 4 times 1 will give you 4. So notice that they have the same base now, so you can cancel out the base. Then 3x plus 6 will be equal to 4x plus 4. You can now collect the like terms. So if you collect the like terms, you are going to have 3x minus 4x is equal to 4 minus 6. So this 4x is a positive. We are taking it here as negative, and this 6 is positive. We are taking it as negative. So when you subtract 3 from 4, you are going to have minus x, which is equal to 4 minus 6 will give you minus 2. So therefore, your x will be equal to 2, because the minus will cancel out the minus. So that is it for this video. Make sure you like, you comment, you share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks.